Trust. The foundation of every meaningful relationship. The key to strong relationships. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Beyond Feelings TV, where we explore the secrets to building happy, healthy relationships. Today, we're diving into a topic that doesn't always get the spotlight, but is absolutely critical for every relationship: trust. Think of trust as the glue that holds relationships together. Whether it's romantic, platonic, or professional, trust is the foundation for everything: connection, communication, and even love itself. But here's the thing: trust isn't just given, it's earned. And if it's broken, rebuilding it takes time and effort. So today we're going to unpack why trust matters so much, how you can build and maintain it, and what to do if trust has been damaged in a relationship. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Why trust is the cornerstone of relationships. Let's start with the big picture. Why is trust so important? Trust is the hidden cornerstone of all relationships because it creates emotional safety. When you trust someone, you feel secure enough to be vulnerable, to share your thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or betrayal. Psychologists describe trust as a belief in someone's reliability and integrity. In other words, when you trust someone, you believe they'll act in ways that respect and protect you, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally. Without trust, relationships often fall into cycles of anxiety, insecurity, and miscommunication. But trust isn't just a relationship skill. It's the key to deep connection. When trust exists, relationships thrive. When it's missing, everything starts to unravel. How to build trust in relationships. Building trust doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that requires patience and consistency. Here are the 5 essential ways to build trust in any relationship. 1. Keep your promises. Reliability is one of the most basic ways to earn trust. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Follow through on commitments, no matter how small, whether it's showing up on time, remembering a special date, or sticking to plans. 2. Be honest. Trust thrives on honesty. Share your feelings openly, even when it's uncomfortable. Dishonesty, even about little things, can chip away at the foundation of trust over time. 3. Communicate clearly and regularly. Misunderstandings often lead to broken trust. Make a habit to check in, clarify intentions, and address concerns early. Healthy communication is a pillar of strong trust. 4. Respect boundaries. Every relationship has boundaries, whether it's personal space, emotional needs, or privacy. Respecting these boundaries shows your partner that you value and care about their well-being. 5. Show vulnerability. Being vulnerable might seem scary, but it's one of the most powerful ways to build trust. When you open up about your fears, dreams, or insecurities, it invites your partner to do the same and creates a safe space where trust can flourish. When both people make an effort to build trust, the relationship becomes a fortress, strong enough to weather challenges. What happens when trust is broken? Here's the hard truth: trust can be fragile. If it's broken, it can feel like the relationship is crumbling. Maybe a betrayal, dishonesty, or actions that made you feel unsafe. The pain of broken trust is real. But does that mean it's the end of the relationship? Not always. Rebuilding trust is challenging, but it's possible if both people are committed to healing. Here's how. Step 1. Take accountability. The person who broke the trust needs to own their actions fully. No excuses, no deflecting. Accountability is the first step in rebuilding trust. Step 2. Apologize authentically. A genuine, heartfelt apology goes a long way. It shows that you recognize the pain caused and are committed to making amends. Step 3. Communicate transparently. Rebuilding trust requires clear, honest communication. Talk openly about expectations and boundaries moving forward. Step 4. Be patient. Rebuilding trust doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow process that requires consistent effort and time. Trust grows back through repeated actions, not just words. And remember, if you're rebuilding trust, both partners need to want it. If only one person is willing to put in the effort, it won't work. The benefits of strong trust. Once trust is built, it transforms your relationships completely. Here are some of the amazing benefits of strong trust. Emotional safety. You feel secure enough to be vulnerable and open. Better communication. Trust leads to honest and productive conversations. Deeper intimacy. With trust, you can share your true self, flaws and all. Resilience in challenges. When trust is strong, you can overcome obstacles together. In short, trust creates a relationship that feels like a partnership, where both people bring out the best in each other. And there you have it. Why trust is the hidden cornerstone of all relationships, and how to build and protect it. Trust might seem invisible, but it's the backbone of every meaningful connection. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more relationship advice. And tell me in the comments, what do you think is the hardest part about building trust in a relationship? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next time.